you doing? Jo Barnes here and welcome back. Okay, so we have our page live on our Facebook page. That's very exciting. Now in this video what we're going to do is we're going to add Facebook comments to the bottom of this page. So I'm literally going to put the comments in here underneath this Welcome to the Social Networking Academy box, just here. That's where the comments are going to go. So the first thing we want to do is to head over to this social plugins page. So that's at developers.facebook.com/docs/plugins, and I've put the URL at the bottom of this video. And you'll notice here it says comments. This is the main social plugins page within Facebook, and it says here comments, and we just simply click on comments. Now Facebook have made it incredibly easy to attach comments now to the bottom of our pages. Literally all we need to do is put in, oops, just gone a bit smaller there, sorry, put in the URL of the page that we want people to comment on. Now this is really important that you put the right URL here, because when people get the option to post, when they make a comment, it's going to post back to their page, and the link to your page is also going to post on their page. So you want to make sure that the URL you use is the URL that you want people to be clicking on and going to have a look at. So for instance, this page here, this is simply what we're using to get our page live on the web, isn't it? We don't actually want people going to this site because there's nothing here. We want people going to the Social Networking Academy site. Okay, so I am going to take the URL for this site, and this is the URL that I am going to use. So I'm going to copy that, I'm going over to comments, and I'm simply going to paste it in there. Okay, I'm going to say I want 10 posts, that's the number of posts going down the page. I'm going to leave the width at 500 because, excuse that, that was my phone just ringing in the background there, but we're not going to worry too much about that. I'm going to leave the width at 500 because that fits in very well with Facebook, doesn't it? It just fits perfectly with Facebook. And I'm going to leave the colour scheme at light. Look, see, you've got dark there. We don't want dark. That doesn't look very nice, does it? We'll go with light. We'll stick with light. All right. So we are just going to simply click Get Code. That gives us our code there. And we are going to copy this code. All right, and then we're going to go back to our edit page, okay, for our first welcome page, remember? So let's just go back to pages and let me show you how you get that. You're in the dashboard, here's your first welcome page, click on edit. And make sure that you're in the HTML part, okay? Now that all looks very gobbledygook, all that code, but all I need you to do now is go all the way to the bottom, okay? And just literally underneath that, just copy that piece of code into the bottom of the page there, okay? And then go over and click Update. All right. Now, if we go to my first welcome page and refresh, then as we can see, ba-boom, there's our comment at the bottom of the page, okay? Now, here's the really funky bit. If we go to our Social Networking Academy page and simply click refresh and go to the bottom of the page, then woohoo, there's our comment box, just like that. Isn't that so, I'm so excited about that. So let's put in a test comment for the create a website on Facebook videos I'm currently recording. Okay, test comment for the create a website on Facebook videos I'm currently recording. I'm saying yes, I want to post to Facebook. The fabulous thing about comments these days is you can actually change whether you want you or one of your pages to comment, but I'm going to leave it as me for now, and then we're simply going to click comment. Okay, so there we go. And if we now go into my page, if I click on Jo Barnes, and boom, there's our comment there. Test comment for the create a website on Facebook videos I'm currently recording, and there's our link that we want people to go back to. So if we click on that link, that sends us back here. Now I haven't set the welcome page as the default page yet, so it's taken me back to the main page here. But what we'll do is we'll go across and we'll set the welcome page as the actual default page, so it means when people click on that link, they're actually going to come straight back through to this page here. Okay, So guys, that's it for this one. On the next one we are going to look at making a clickable image and also adding some web pages so that you're actually creating a full-blown website right here on your page. So I will see you on the next video.